telling me they have failed to understand how the app works. So follow this video. Just go to your browser in a Chrome or any browser you want. Now go to this website, say techstepapps.org, techstepapps.org, and just go. This is what you will get. Okay, yes, come here, direct app downloads. You will get this first Something AI offline. Click download. It will bring you to the App Store. Click on the download button. Download started. Here we go. It will take some time. Once the download is complete, I've already downloaded it. Install it. After installing, just open the app. Let's go. So yeah, as it opens, this will be the main UI, and this will be the first screen. Say allow. While using app, allow everything, just allow, and come to accept and continue. Say continue. And now this is the important part. Just read this. Core models required. Says please ensure you download the 95 MB and 85 MB core models from the settings tab. So to enable private AI features, just say got it and go to settings immediately. Don't do anything, just go to settings. You will get this core private AI required. And then just click on download. If you scroll down, let's give it 4 GB RAM. You can see it downloading. It will download really fast. Let's finish the download. This first one is for your documents. The second one is your AI model, and this third one is for voice to text. These three are compulsory. Then you can also add the rest, especially Claude. Claude is the latest model we have added. It's the best for expert logic. This is also good. Mini CPM 5 billion. It's 0.5 billion tokens. Then you get coin. Coin is another very good one. These two coins, they are all very good. And we have small. This is 140 MBs, but it's also excellent for medical specialists, especially. This is for medical guys. This small M2. GPT Medical is also for medical. Solara V2 is for coders, programming, studying. This is for poetry. GPT-2, human dialogues for poetry. Then small llama. This is just for general knowledge. Okay, so I think this first one is done downloading. Second one, Whisper. It's also done. Now let's wait for this to complete. It's almost completing. There we go. So you're done with the setup. Just go back to your chat and test it. Now we have downloaded this small M2. Let's just say Fox. Okay. Now let me see. What is chemistry? Let's go. So you can see this is it. It's completely offline. Let me put my data off. Put it in airplane mode. It's airplane mode. Chemistry, study of properties of behavior, including its composition, structure, behavior, text. Yeah, depending on your phone, you can see everything is offline, completely offline. You see, it's really advanced. Okay, you can also add your pictures, notes, anything you want it to summarize for you, and it can summarize. So, but You will do that later. See, it's generating really well. Okay, let us test a better model. Let me get something like Quen. Quen is really good. Let's see Quen. Quen, let me say what. Okay, let me say what is the best. What was the best movie of 2010? Quen is really good for everything. General knowledge, advanced complex knowledge. So it thinks for you, and then it will bring this thing. Okay. Users asking the best movie of 2010. Let me check if there's widely recommended. I remember that. You see, this one has everything. It's really good. Dark Knight was a top movie in 2010, but I need to confirm that. Wait, I should also consider other possibilities. Maybe Inception or The Matrix came close, but you see, Dark Knight, that is nice. So thank you for watching. Download and enjoy.